So I did find someone here at the Vegans Who Snack Food and Art Festival in Ottawa who knows how to take a dog to a festival. First, they waited until it wasn't so hot. Then they put their dog in this stroller here, which has shade, and so the dog's paws are not on the hot pavement. No panting. Look at that. What a nice human being. Sue Mans, activist for animals. That's the only conceivable way to bring a dog to a summer event. And Sue waited, as I said, until it wasn't so hot. Shade of the trees, shade of the stroller. Just basic consideration. Just basically taking a minute to think, hey, what about the needs of the animal?